Hi grade 7s, welcome to your next lesson of guitar. Today we're going to be looking at a very interesting piece. A piece that is from a very old video game, but for some reason has become a meme in today's culture. So let's take a listen to this meme. 1, 2, 3, let's go! And that right there is Megalovania. So let's zoom into the guitar and let's break this piece down. So starting off, this piece is not very complicated in terms of all the notes, but it is in terms of speed. It's challenging for the speed because the notes are very repetitive. We're just going to do it twice on a lower octave, twice on a higher octave. So this is D on the 5th fret of the A string and D on the 12th fret of the D string, okay? So we're going to start off and we're going to have these 4 bass notes. These are the main things that really switch it around. So we're going to go dun, 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 dun. So that's D, 5th fret. Then we go to the 3rd fret, dun, 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 dun. Then 2nd fret, dun, 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 1st fret. And those are the bass notes. So 5 on the A string, 3 on the A string, then 2 on the A string, then 1 on the A string. So those are our bass notes. Those are D, C, B, B flat. D, C, B, B flat, okay? So we're gonna go, this is, you really need to have good alternate picking in order to get this because of the speed. So you're gonna go down, up. So down on the A string 5th fret, which is a D note, and we play that same note, D, on the 7th fret of the G string. They're both called D, okay? That's our D note, an octave. So 7th fret of the G string. So down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. That's, if you want to get it really good, you have to try to get that picking. You can try to use your picking, but that's going to help you get it really good. So down, string skip, up on the 7th fret of the D, 7th fret of the G. So down, up, and then you go up with your ring finger to the D string 7th fret. So 5, 7, 7, down, up, down. So down, up, down. So really get used to that string skip. So down, skip over to the G string 7th fret, lift the ring finger up to the D string. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up. So there, 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 7 with your ring finger, 6 with your middle, 5 with the index, all on the D string. So down, up, down, up, up, up. Then that up over there is the pinky on the 8th fret of the A string. So down, up, A string, 8th fret. All right, down, up, up, up. Then I go 5, 8, 5, 5, 8 on the A string, and then the 5 right underneath it on the D string. So 8, 5, 8, 5, up, down, up, 8, 5, 8, 5. So down, up, down, up, down, up. That's our main riff, all right? Everything after that first note is our main riff. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Then all we do is we change that first note. Down, up, down. So the trick with getting this is you really have to watch your eyes. So even though you're over here, your eyes have to know where to be. So your eyes have to be getting ready to hit this note. So even though I'm here, up, down, up, I've immediately, after I play that down, my eyes are back over here. So make sure you're managing your eyes. That's the only way you're going to get it good. If you use the alternate picking and put your eyes where they need to be, okay? So first time, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's just try that picking pattern a couple of times. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So a bit slower. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, string skip, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we change to the second bass note, the C, down, up, down, up, down, up. The B, down, up, down, up, down, up. B flat, up, down, up. Then repeat from the beginning. Once you get that B flat, just come back. So the only thing that changes is that first note. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of variations. So even though we know this is B and this is B flat, we can also use this B on the E string 7th fret and this B flat on the E string 6th fret, if you want, okay? So they don't move too much, but I like the moving. The moving is also good for you in order to get things nice and quick. So the moving is also very good for you to build that quickness. Going from here, back over here, doop, bap, boop, bap, index finger, ring finger. So let's actually practice that. So index, ring, down, up, index, ring, down, up, down, down, down. All right, so let's just try that movement. So down, up, to the C, up. The ring finger is always going to be in the same place, to the B, to the B flat. Look at that, big move, such a big leap. Let's start again. Let's use our other B and B flat. B on the E string, B flat on the 6th fret. A bit quicker. One more time. Alright, so let's try to do it twice. You can use whichever bass notes you want, either over here or over here. I'm going to use these ones just for the sake of building quickness. So let's go for it twice. 3, go. Down, up, 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 down, down, up. And after you do that twice, we go up an octave. So we take it to the D string, which is on the 12th fret, and we're now going to do a double string skip. Down, ring finger on the 12th fret of the D, up on the 10th fret of the high E. The exact same right hand picking pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So if you have the picking pattern right here, you've made your life easier because you're going to use the exact same picking pattern right hand. Don't change the picking pattern, otherwise you're going to compromise on building that muscle memory that your brain is like, oh, I understand how to put my fingers because I've just been doing it over here. Alright, so down 12, 10 on the high E, down, up. Then you take your index finger up. The same way we went, down, up, took our ring finger up. Now we're taking our index finger. So down, up, down, onto the 10th fret of the B. Down, down, up, down. Then we're going to go to the G string, 13th fret with the pinky, 12th fret with the ring finger, 10 with the index finger. Up, 13, 12, 10. So down, up, 13, 10, 10, up. Then we take our ring finger up to the 12th fret of the D string, up. Alright, we play the upstroke, up. Then we go 10, 12, up, down, up. So 12, 10, 12, 12, 10, 10, 13, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 12, 10, 10, 13, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Two more times. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Last one. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we just do the exact same moves. We just move that bass note. So the same way we moved from here, we skipped over a fret, then we just kept moving down one fret. Same thing here. D, skip over a fret, move down one fret, move down another fret. Those are our bass notes. So we're gonna go down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, and we're gonna catch those bass notes with our index finger, the same way we did over here. The only difference is that D note, that first note, we had it with the index finger here. Here we're getting with the ring finger, okay? So down, up. So now with that index finger on the 10th fret, down of the D string, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, 9th fret of the D, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, then 8 of the D, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. So no difference. So D, C, B flat, B, D, C, B flat, B. So that's 12, 10, 9, 8. So let's try it nice and slow, just on the higher octave. Slower. Even slower. Up, 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 down, up, 10. Up, 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 down, up. This should be a up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 up. Start again. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Then finish on the 12th fret on the D string. Up, down, up, down. You can use your middle finger or your ring finger. Up, down. I'm going to use my middle finger because my ring finger is already down here. So it allows me to get that quick. Now, the next thing you want to be able to do is we want to be able to move from the low octave to the high octave. And how do you do that? Your eyes. Every person who's able to get this riff knows that if I'm still looking over here, I'm going to miss this 12th fret every time. But if I'm over here, I know I have the finger memory. I already have my eyes here. All right. So even though I'm still finishing the riff over here, my fingers are over here. My eyes already over here, and that's how you're gonna get it. If you don't have your eyes here, you're gonna miss it every time. All the pros know that. Every person knows. Have your eyes on where you're going. That's how you nail a solo. The entry and the exit of a solo. Always have your eyes on where you're going, not on where you are or where you've been. Okay. So let's now try to do it twice. Nice and slow in the low octave and then in the high octave. So after 2 rounds, we take the high octave and make sure you have that trick, that tip, have your eyes where you're going, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up, second time, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up. Get ready? Here we go to low octave. Have your eyes ready. Let's go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Second time on the high octave. Ready to finish? Okay. Now, if you're able to play all those notes, then that is fantastic. That means you're extremely good with your right hand technique, and you're also good with coordinating your fingers, and you're keeping your fingers consistent on where they need to be. Okay. Now, the next thing is once you get comfortable, you're not hitting many wrong notes, is to speed up. Actually, you should be hitting no wrong notes before you speed up, because this piece is actually in 120 beats per minute. All right, so that's 120 BPM. So that speed is. So pretty darn quick. So Don't worry about getting that speed. Even when I want you to perform this for me, I'm not expecting you to play at 120 BPM because that is pretty challenging. But if you can, that is pretty impressive. Not many people can do that. But I want you to take it at a speed that is just quicker than the one I've been demonstrating in, okay? So that means down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up, up. That's a good speed, okay? Alright, so to practice this, let's try 3 different speeds. We're going to take it at 90 BPM, 100 and 110. If you can do it at any of those speeds, that's fantastic. With 90 being the minimum. The full speed is 120, but if you want to practice it at that full speed, that's what I did at the intro. So go ahead and practice with the intro. So let's start off with 90 BPM. I've got my metronome app right here, right on 90. I'm going to play it on. All right. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Up high. All right, let's take it up a bit. Let's take it to 100 BPM. That's my new speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Up high. One last time, let's take it higher to 110 BPM. So that's our new speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Up high. Alright, those are 3 different speeds. And remember, if you want to go to the last level, take it to 120 BPM, which is what I played at the beginning of this video. Alright, grade 7, so that is Megalovania. Super fun meme song to really help you get really good with 2 things. Speed and accuracy. Speed because you're moving and trying to get those notes right on beat, and accuracy because you're moving further away from where you want to be. So from here to here to here to here. So you need to be accurate and have very good picking technique. So one thing that I want you to note, in the beginning I was telling you let's keep strict to our picking, which was down, up, down, so down, up, down, but you can also go down, up, up. The more you get used to one, the better you'll be at another one. So if you were going down, up, down, up, down, up, now all of a sudden if you try down, up, it might be more comfortable. Maybe if you start going down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, stuff like that. But the thing is, you have to get good at the first picking pattern so that you can now adjust it to what really works for you. You don't necessarily have to adjust it. If you're comfortable with the other one, then that's perfect. But if you find like, all right, I feel a little bit better when I do it in this stroke and I'm still able to get on time, then go ahead and do it. But the thing is, make sure you do not increase the speed unless it is accurate. Because if you increase the speed without being accurate, it just sounds like jumbled up notes and it will be a bit of a mess. So make sure you focus on getting it 100%, no mistakes on the notes, at a nice slow speed, even before you get to 90 BPM, okay? So let 90 BPM be the minimum speed you can get it at, and 120 the max speed. If you can do that, that's not something every common guitarist can do. So that is pretty impressive, no lie. So have fun practicing, and I'll see you next week for our next lesson.